Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to make a magnet grinder, a new one. So I'm gonna go to build. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tutorial. So first you put a pole here. Make sure on anchor block. Okay. So put a pole and put a chair. Okay. Then you put a pole here. Two poles here. Just add a second one in the top. Next you put a pole here to yeah. Oh, you add two. Yeah. Now add a magnet. Magnet here. So yeah. Next put a hinge. And you can put any block. So I'm gonna put a gold block. I recommend to put a lever in the back, but I don't want to put. Make sure you save, but I can't save it. I don't have slots. So you can get a candy here. Yeah. Okay, so you save. And don't save with a cake. If you have cake, good. But if you don't have cake, use glue. There. Like just use candy and on the magnet or the lever. And there you go. If you hit the wall, if you hit the water, oh, yeah, that. But if you hit the floor, you hit the jump button. So thank you for watching.